Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This, like most of our vehicles, is a rear entry, manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. These clamps are a great design. They keep these ramps from rattling. A lot of those that have the turn here in the middle or the slide in the middle, they're going to start rattling. I'm warning you now. Got a handle on either side. Take it down using only my index finger. Very easy to operate. It's 34 inches wide. It does taper down to 32 inches where the ramp sets there. It's got 8 tie down points. You can see the little ovals in there to hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. This is the deep cut. You can see the headliner's in great shape. It's got the rear air. Between those seats there's about 21 inches of room. You can pull a passenger's legs up between those. If you need more room, we have more narrow seats. We have seats that'll flip up on their side. Let us know what you need. We can help build this van to accommodate exactly what you're looking for. Super clean interior. Has cup holders galore. 4 there, 2 will pull out. It's got them over in the doors as well, so I think you could have a 12-pack of Coke in here and drink all 12 of them at the same time. The dash is in excellent condition. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Got the Bluetooth connect there, the audio controls, auxiliary port. Dual climate control, so you can have driver 1 temperature, passenger can be a second. Also has the rear air, like I mentioned. More cup holders in the rear. And it does come with a free set of ratcheting tie downs as well. And when you've got everybody secure, come back out. Look here, 1 finger. Easy to do. Latch all this back down. Give the trunk a good slam, and you're ready to roll. Let's do a quick walk around to this van. You can see it's got the tinted windows in the rear. Only has 23,000 miles on it, very low miles. Got probably the original tires, I'm going to guess, so there's still 23,000 miles on them. Still have quite a bit of tread left on them. Overall, the body's very clean. Auto check shows this is 2 owners, no accidents, clean title, and miles are actual. Very clean van. You know, this is what I look for. I'm not looking for vans that have been beat up. I'm not looking for vans that have been pulled out of a flood. I don't want vans that have been in a bad accident. I don't want salvage titles. I don't want rebuilders. I want nice, clean stuff we can put on our inventory that we can be proud to sell, and that we anticipate is going to make a great vehicle for our customers down the road. Super clean interior. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke, unusual odors, no signs of any burns, cigarette burns, nothing like that. I always show you the VIN number as well, so you know that we're selling the van we say we're selling. Some people out there will sell a different vehicle than the VIN number. It's crazy the things people do out there, but welcome to the internet. Super clean seats. Again, a picture of the dash there. You can see the current mile is 23,931. We buy these from rust-free areas. I saw this on the door jam in case of a collision. Call a company down in Mississippi. So we try to buy our vans from the south. We want them clean and rust-free. When I go to turn the van on, fires that first time. Every time. You can see the dummy lights work. There's no check engine, no ABS, no airbag light on. Got a full tank of gas there for you. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, a clean, dry, 3-point V6 engine. No signs of any damage. It idles smoothly. That's exactly what we want. We check these over very thorough before we buy. We check for any signs of accidents. Very clean underneath here. This is exactly what I want. Underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any leaks. No signs of any bent metal. No signs of any abnormal rust. So you'll notice one thing about our competition. They rarely, if ever, show you a picture, much less a video of the undercarriage of the vehicle. The reason is they buy a lot of these from New York, up north Chicago. They buy ones that are all rusted out. And those, of course, they sell for a lot more. They sell for a lot less than a nice, clean van like this. And they don't show you the undercarriage. And they sell it for, try to sell it for similar prices to ours. And the difference is, ours is a nice rust-free chassis. Theirs is a rust bucket that's going to have problems. So the number one mistake people make when looking at vehicles they assume things. They assume because it's pretty in pictures. They assume because the price is good. They assume because it's low miles or because the salesman was nice to them. They assume it's a good deal. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it doesn't have a bunch of rust. Nothing could be further from the truth. People get suckered and taken advantage of on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. If someone's going to ask you to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 or more, demand, and I mean demand, a detailed video like this so you know exactly what you're getting. And if they won't get off their keister and get out and make you a detailed video, who are you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? Let's get the van out on the highway. Before we do, I've tested all the windows, power mirrors. We've tested everything. We didn't just make it look pretty. We've tested it. This is not some van that shows up at your house but something doesn't work we didn't tell you about. So let me get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on the highway so you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this van home, you know we've done our due diligence. We've inspected the vehicle. We've made sure it's roadworthy. You know. You don't have to assume. You know. Get out here on the highway. Get to about 70 miles an hour. The steering wheel is nice and straight. That's exactly what we want. It drives very nicely down the highway. I've got the cruise control set at about 64 miles an hour. And I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. I would invite you to compare our A+ rating to the Better Business with the Better Business Bureau to theirs. See if they've got an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Look at our reviews online. See all the nice things people had to say about us. And buying a vehicle is hard enough without dealing with shady people. So, you know, be aware of who you're dealing with. And if a company has a lot of negative reviews, well, you're probably going to have issues with them. Don't say I didn't tell you. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. Our competition has a real nice price online. What they forget to tell you or fail to mention, they got $500, $1,000, $1,200 in administrative fees, dock fees, tag fees. Pretty much make up a bunch of terminology to get deeper into your pocket. My question to you is, if they're hiding money from you, if they're not telling you about how much money the van really costs, what else are they hiding from you? Are they not telling you about other problems, accidents that may have had? What are they hiding? So you give the van a nice hard brake at the bottom of this exit. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise, so it brakes nice, it runs nice, it looks nice, it smells nice. No, it's not a brand new van, but it's sure not far from it. Super clean. When you're back to comparing us to the competition, also keep in mind, I'm the owner of the company. I'm out here crawling underneath these vans. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. I don't want any surprises. And if you deal with the competition, you might end up dealing with a used car salesman. Well, you're most likely going to. If you want to deal with used car salesmen, give the competition a call. You know, most of them aren't going to be working there in a month or two. They're going to be out chasing those commission checks. They don't care if you get a good deal. They don't care if you get the truth. They just want that commission. Me, I'm the owner. I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. I want you to get a good deal. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. I want you to repeat business. I want you saying nice things about us, because the truth matters to us. So if you want to deal with a used car salesman, give the competition a call. If you want to deal with the owner, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. If you're more of a text messenger, if you feel more comfortable doing that, give me a text. 316-518-4377. Again, my name is Jeremiah. I'm the owner. You now have the owner's cell phone number. By the way, blinking is you're doing it through the camera. It doesn't do it in real life. It's something to do with the digital. Above my pay grade, but it's not doing that in real life. We do have financing available. Free shipping in the lower 48 states, as I mentioned. See our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. As always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.